Section 5.4 is on dividing polynomials, and we're using long division. So we're kind of taking the process of long division and fitting it to polynomials. So before I do long division with polynomials, I just want to do a long division question with regular numbers, just because the process is, it's pretty much the same, it just looks different because it has variables with it. But if we look at a regular one, I would look at 23 and say, how many times does it go into 50? And it goes in twice, so I put a 2 there. Then I take 2 times 23, and that gets me 46, so I put 46 here. Then I want to subtract these, and I get 4. My next step would be to bring down the 5. So if I do that, it's going to be 45. And then I kind of start over. So how many times does 23 go into 45 evenly? And it goes in once. And then 1 times 23 is 23, and I put that here. And then I subtract, and I get 22. And 22 would be my remainder, and I put that over the number that I'm dividing by, so over the 23. And that would be my answer. So we're kind of taking that process and using it with polynomials. And if you go on to mathematics, if you go to like pre-calc, this is used for finding some other things, but here we're just doing the long division. So I'm going to take x squared plus 3x minus 10 and take the x minus 2. So then with this, I'm kind of going back and forth between looking at just the first terms and looking at everything. So what I mean is I want to look at the x and I want to look at the x squared. What do I need to multiply x by to get x squared? That's kind of the question I'm asking myself. What do I need to multiply x by to get x squared? And that would be another x. If I multiply x by x, I get x squared. So I'm going to put an x, I'm going to put it right here. Then I'm going to multiply x by both of these. So if you do that, you're going to get x squared minus 2x. And then I want to subtract this. So again, I'm kind of following along the long division. Now x squared minus x squared goes away. 3x minus a minus 2x is 5x. And then I want to bring down the 10, or the negative 10 I should say. And this is really where my process starts over. So I'm looking at the x, I'm looking at the 5x. What do I need to multiply x by to get 5? That's what I would ask myself. And I would need to multiply x by 5 to get 5x. So that 5 is going to go right here, plus 5. And then I want to multiply 5 by everything. And that will be 5x minus 10 that I put down here. And then I want to subtract these. The 5x's go away. Minus 10 minus a minus 10 is minus 10 plus 10, which is 0. So I don't have any remainder. So x plus 5, this would be my answer here. This definitely takes a lot of practice, so we're going to go through number 3 in another video, so definitely check that out.